HMRC was to raise an inquiry on your business, would you be able to afford it? Now, a lot of business owners haven't thought about this, and I'm not going to get into the stats of why HMRC is doing it, who they're targeting, why they're investigating certain businesses. But if they did investigate or if they did raise an inquiry on your business, can you afford to get that resolved in time? Now, this can take weeks, sometimes even months for things to get resolved. Do you have the right team in place in your business? Or do you have the right provisions if you're going to contract to a different business? These are conversations you should be having with your accountant or someone that represents your business, because you want to make sure that you are insured against such losses. Losses are not just financial. Sometimes even if you're using an in-house team, it is distracting from the actual core of the business and what your team needs to be doing. So can you set aside resources for weeks, months on end, maybe even years, without doing the day-to-day, and they have to focus on that inquiry? Can you afford to do that? Or do you need to insure yourself against such a loss or such a case if it were to happen? So have those conversations with your accountant, because they are really important. You don't want to be thinking about them when it's too late.